I am the school board member for District 2, and we are out here on this beautiful afternoon enjoying the Unity Fest here at Indian Creek Elementary. We've got trunk or treat, we've got activities, performances, all kinds of great fun for the whole family.
Of DeKalb County Schools, Dr. Horton.
Good afternoon, DeKalb County. How you doing? How are we doing out there? Who's having a great time at this Unity Fair? Let me hear some noise. We thank you all for coming out and finding ways to connect and unite with us. We're learning a lot from you. We continue to try to grow as a school district to stay connected with our families. We thank you for everything that you've done as we lock in on our Miracles tenet, motion towards equity, that's building family and community trust. We have our board member here. I don't know if Ms. McGinnis, raise your hand. Let's give her some love, everyone. Our school board makes it happen. They vote everything in that they need, and things that they don't vote it in. But this is definitely something that we value and respect, so thank you all for being out. Make sure you connect with the resources, grab some great food, and continue to meet and connect with our great staff and our great neighbors. Thank you again for being here today.
So today we're out here for our second annual Unity Fest here at Indian Creek Elementary School. And this is one of those opportunities that we're able to pull our families, especially our refugee families, together in a unified space where they can share each other's cultures, tell stories of their own experiences, and learn more about DeKalb County School District. So this is an exciting time and an exciting day to see all of our families come out and experience unity in our community. So I'm representing Jamaica because I'm from Jamaica, so they asked me to represent Jamaica. So we have products from Jamaica. Some of the favorites are the jerk seasoning, the sorrel drink, the Scotch bonnet pepper, the national fruit, that's the ackee, and some of our national dresses for Jamaica. So, and of course we have the famous beef patties that have been going like hotcakes. So that is a good day for Jamaica to be represented.
Hi, I'm Christine DeCastro. I've been working at Indian Creek for 17 years. I'm an ESOL teacher and I love every minute of it. This is my trunk, and I am considering myself the bag lady. I went and got all kinds of Halloween bags to decorate, added a little bit here and there, and voila, I have a trunk that's ready for treating.
Tell me what's going on here today.
This is the Unity Fest, and it's a fall celebration where we celebrate our diversity. It's amazing. It's so beautiful. It's my favorite thing about this school is just the diversity and just working with kids from all over the world. It's like a trip around the world.
Well, today we are having our Unity Field Day at Clarkston Indian Creek Elementary School, and so I'm so happy to come out and support this event.
And why is events like this important?
Well, again, it shows how diverse we are. The city of Clarkston is one of the most diverse cities per square mile, but it also shows that we're all in this together. And so that's what I want to make sure that as the mayor, I make sure that everyone understands that we are diverse, but we're also united.